Yo, this your boy Dom. I'm about to change this background now, and I'm about to. This is Stephanie Beautifully Crafted. On Instagram. Did a photo shoot with me. I don't really like this background, so I'm gonna cut it out, and I'm about to start now, so we can get this going. I'm gonna select the object, select subject. There we go. Pretty good cutout. Really, I need all of this, everything that ain't in the background. So I'm gonna just do this. I'll come here, select her. I'm gonna blend it in real good though. People always want to see like some of the edits that I do without what's name. These just gonna be simple though, just so y'all can see some of getting in there. Just a simple cutout. Take that out. Minus that. Simple cutout though. We just doing something simple. Make sure we get back here. People want to see some of my like me actually editing. So like I ain't gonna get real technical into this though. So I'm just removing the background. I don't mind some. I'll get do some ones where I'm a little more what's the name, like cerebral in what I'm doing though. That's the background. You feel me? It's a whole different vibe. We gonna take this background though, and we go flip this background. I just want to see what it look like flipped. Transfer. What the hell is it? Edit, and then flip, transform, flip horizontally. Cool. Go back. That's cool. I still feel that might be too dark. We'll see. I might switch the background. I might get a different background. We'll see though. So right here, we gonna come about right here and get rid of this. That part. Okay. I'm gonna come right here. I'm gonna smooth the skin out. Don't worry, all these highlights and stuff. I'm gonna do something with this over here. I lightweight want to press pause. I thought this background would have looked a little better than that. It's kind of dull to me. Continue back. Yeah, that background kind of dull to me, y'all. So I'm just doing this. This is a simple little edit. Smooth the skin out. Girls like that Barbie doll look. So we gonna smooth that out. I can fix all that. This is just a quick tutorial of smoothing the skin, changing the background. Not really a tutorial though, 'cause I ain't telling you how I did none of it though. It's simple. Working in Photoshop. Wow. See that? Go in there. Get that. Our eyes ain't open, so we ain't gotta worry about none of that. Get around there. Whoever did our makeup did a good job. Especially around the eyelashes, the lipstick really popping. So if you want to get if you want your thing, I got mine on like a 82 opacity and 75 for opacity and 82 for the opacity of the brush. So we'll come in there and smooth that out. Smooth that out. Cool. So we'll smooth the arm out. The light ball, something right there. Smooth the hand. You want to have soft hands when you're modeling, ladies, posing. Soft hands, man, like, not your hands must be soft, the way that you holding them within this. pose should be soft and elegant so we can feel it. It's about the art and the movement. I like telling my clients to move. I hate like regular poses. Like I like the poses, but they don't stand that long. I like for them to move a little bit so it look like it's in motion and stuff. There we go. Wow. Wow. So to me, I don't really like doing the Barbie doll thing. I do it because that's what my clients like. So that's what I'm showing y'all. Okay, but nothing's wrong with that. You see the clean up on that. So wow, before, after. Okay, so now this room might start looking even better though. So let's see though. So now I'm gonna come do it like a levels adjustment. Like you see it like that. But that's just on the skin. I need it to be on the entire picture. You feel me? So now this room might look a little different. I'm gonna probably unbrighten these sheets some. We'll see though. See, like, so then I come in and play with it like that. I feel like when I did this shot, because of the background, I'm gonna put these whites down. But you see how this shadow is around here on this eye? That's how it was shot. It was already a shadow there, so the light was coming from this way. And wow, that was so you can darken that. It'll give it a more dramatic feel back there. I'm gonna take that and lighten that up. Darken that up, son. Though I don't like how bright that is. I want to do. So wow, we gonna take and we gonna come to our curves. See like that? You see how that back part just is so bright back there? That's because that's where all the thing. But you see how it's blending in with our skin now too, though, right? So instead of me continuing to do that, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make another one. I'm gonna adjust, man. I'm gonna see what it look like when I bring the exposure down. So the offset, see that's too much. We can't. I don't like that. See, I like that though, but that ain't what I'm going for though either though. So I'm gonna bring that down. I don't like that. What's the name? So some of it is about playing with your nose and how you take the picture beforehand. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come to brightness and contrast, bring that down some. But I'm gonna put a mask. I'm gonna bring this down some more. I like that though. I like how deep color rooted red that is though. I'm gonna take this down. I'm gonna take this part down. And what I'm gonna do is press. I know I wasn't supposed to be doing a tutorial, but y'all just watching me, so I might as well tell y'all while I'm doing it. So I'm gonna bring this sheet down. Feel me? I ain't like how dark that sheet was. You feel me? That fit more now. You feel me? My sheet was ridiculous. I'm gonna bring this part down. That's too much light over there. But don't play with me if I really want to get into this editing thing and playing around with these pictures. I went to school for graphic design, so like people look at me as just one-dimensional as a photographer, or they'll look at me as a videographer, or they'll look at me as a graphic designer. But really, I'm an all-around artist, and this is what I do. So now you can see how I lighten this sheet up to make it look like it's a part of this scene. You know, we might want to darken that up. That's what I was saying. I'm gonna darken that up so you can actually try to see outside there. Wow. So if I don't show you, you might not know that this is a part of that scene though. You might not though. So then we bring that up. We ain't gonna mess with that. We gonna take I'll take this. I like sometimes I like vivid colors though. So I play with it a little bit, make our skin. Or we can even do this though. Let's see what I like black and whites though, sexy black and whites. But this just look better in color, man. It just look better in color, like that back. And then this that's too much color. Like we don't want that much color. We want it to be subtle. So and that's that, y'all. You feel me? And then we go come over here. First press pause. Okay, I got the logo in there. We gotta do a blend option. We gotta do a color overlay. Wow. I like to do a little outer glow. Feel me? Domprints, baby. Yeah. Yep, she chose Domprints, like how they chose Jared. Prints, just that's all I'm doing, y'all. It's just printing on life. So that background ended up being cool because I was able to just put my logo there. Sometimes I'd be like a little perfectionist. I just be wanting to be somewhere where I can feel like it's cool right there. This is my canvas. I'ma paint it, paint it, paint it. There is no right or wrong.